So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Motor share as well as Tata Steel share. So before we start discussion about these two stocks, so if we see today's market scenario, we know that Nifty as well as Bank Nifty both are down. So some heavy sell-off was seen, especially in Nifty. It is down almost 1.88% and even Bank Nifty has crossed the 2% mark. So what are the major reasons? So we know that now in the current scenario, the global sell-off is seen basically Indian markets because of the COVID cases. In few states like Maharashtra, where the cases are spiking, and also in few districts, especially in Bid district, we can see a lockdown has been imposed from 26th to 4th April. And today, most importantly, Mr. Narendra Modi will also address the nation at 8 p.m. Which will be live even in CNBC TV 18. So there may be few updates which may be little troubling the markets. That's why today we have seen that much correction. So as I told, this is not a panic situation for us. It is a opportunity for us. Why? Because many stocks will be in corrected phase and they will be near the levels. So it is opportunity for us to add some good quality stocks. So today we'll discuss two stocks. Again, I'm continuing the series regarding best stocks that we can buy at the current situation. So yesterday also we have discussed 3 to 4 stocks. So today again we will discuss the series. Mainly I'll upload again another video regarding stocks to buy now. So nothing to panic. Even Instagram I told whenever any stock is correcting, it is just a benefit for us. Again, you need to understand, very bad news is also positive and very good news is negative. So if bad news are present, that is good opportunity for us. So remember these things. So now let's discuss about Tata Steel as well as Tata Power. Okay, so first we'll start discussion with Tata Motors. So if you see the deliverable quantities which have been taken place today, you can see roughly 25.41% deliverable quantities have been taken. So we can take the delivery as roughly 1 crore shares have been taken. So if you see Tata Steel, so you can see Tata Steel also where is a good deliverable quantity, 32.24%. So basically we know why deliveries increase during these point of time, because when correction happens heavily, so for many investors the levels will look attractive, especially Tata Motors. We know little negative news were present. Basically when Goldman Sachs recently, when we have discussed, when it has provided a report and when it has given a sell rating of 240, so little panic situation was created for Tata Motors holders. But nevertheless, we know Tata Motors is fundamentally very good stock. So it has given huge run up. I agree that it has given huge run up. So ultimately at any point of time, little profit booking happens. Profit booking means not like this, just small correction happens and again it will start retracing. So that is healthy move. I'm not telling that it should continuously go down. Definitely little correction is required so that we can also average. So levels wise, what will be the best level? So that also we'll discuss. Nothing to worry. And especially Tata Steel. So that is also one stock that we wanted to discuss, but the opportunity has not come. So now since that has also shown some correction, so we'll discuss about that as well, because many are having doubts regarding technicals. So technical point of view, I'll try to clarify each and every point. Okay, so first we'll discuss with Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, you can see currently it's trading near 296.70 and it is down almost 3.48%. So if you see the downtrend which it has started from 355 rupees level, after that continuous downfall was there and many people have invested near 330, 320 and they told that they're having little loss. Obviously because we have seen the bull run phase basically. So we expect some more gains, but what happens when we enter, so that profit booking starts and we enter into panic situation and we start selling. But selling, I told, we should not do. Why? Because you can see it is taking a very good support near the 50-day exponential moving average, which is at 293 rupees level. Okay, correction happens basically when global factors are influencing and also when internal, like in our country itself, when there are cases rising, so little bit of panic situation will be, that is temporary. You need to understand that that is temporary. Again the markets will retrace, never Nifty will go continuously down, but only our mindset makes us into panic situation and we start selling. So avoid that, try to average. So now if you see the levels wise, support wise, you can see 293 is one very good support, and also you can see money flow index is also went down and it is coming to oversold region. So when it comes to oversold, again the buying comes and again it starts its uptrend journey. So this is very important. Okay, so first support wise we have seen 293, that we need to watch out in the coming sessions. So after that, resistances wise, now since it is trading below 300, so definitely 300 would be the next possible resistance, and after that if it crosses that, then definitely 310 315 should be seen. So that is when the market starts retracing. So now since little correction is there, so make sure you watch the 293 rupees level. So if it breaks that 293, don't try to average, so wait patiently, let it go further down. So next immediate level would be 280. Okay, so from 280 again it may start retracing. So these may be the two levels. So one, support wise you need to watch 293, and second one would be 280. Okay, maximum market it will correct. After that, when again if any positive updates come, definitely market will start retracing. So little FII selling pressure is there. That is the basic reason why we have seen fall today. Okay, so coming to Tata Steel. So Tata Steel, we know after it has posted some very good extraordinary results, after that it has rallied little bit and again it has gone to 775 region and again it has started falling. So for that also you can see what is the support here. You can see here the exponential moving average, which is around 693. So 693 would be best for this particular stock to take the support. So earlier also you can see when it has approached that particular 50-day exponential moving average, so considerably from that region it has started retracing. Support wise 700 would be very crucial. So if it breaks that 700, then we may see that 693 as well as 690, from where considerable retracement will be seen. So try to add good quality stocks. So today if we have seen many stocks have given correction, especially major losers. If we see, one of the loser is Tata Steel as well. So few banks have corrected, especially blue chip banks, which you try to basically add, like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. So banks also have corrected. So few mid caps also have fallen. So try to buy good quality stocks. So don't think that if market corrects we need to search for selling opportunities. So that is not the right thing. So when market is correcting, search for buying opportunities. Okay, so we'll discuss series wise which stocks you can add. So make sure you're updated. So if you see money flow index wise also for Tata Steel, you can see it is near 41 region. So that is not completely in overbought, not completely in oversold, which is in mid range. So that is also well and good. Okay, so we have discussed two stocks today, that is Tata Motors as well as Tata Steels. So delivery wise also we are seeing little delays are present, but due to external factors as well as what are the major reasons, we know due to COVID cases as well as few negative reports on autos also little dragged Tata Motors. So nothing to worry, keep holding, try to average as we discussed earlier. So further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section or in Instagram. So until then, take care, bye bye.